Good morning. Welcome to another Design Make Play show. Ella Khorvash is here. I'm the instructor for Fusion 360 here at ZenMaker Lab, and today I want to teach you how to sketch at Fusion 360. So now let's get started. So yesterday we installed Fusion 360, and today I want to teach you how to make a sketch because it's the first step for making a model in Fusion 360. So here at the top we can see the sketch, and the first step should be choosing the plane for that. We can see all of our tools here at the top. We have line, circle, mirror, dimension, and as the constraints we have horizontal, vertical, we have tangent and concentric, and so on. So I'm gonna start with the line, and the shortcut for that on the keyboard is L. I'm gonna start from the origin, and you can see that as long as you haven't closed your sketch, you still can have the tool. But when you stop it and close it, you don't have the line anymore. So if you want to make a line again, you just right click, repeat line, and then you will have the tool again. And while you are happy, you just hit the tick here, and when it's green, it means you're good. And you have this circle. You can give dimension here from the dimension, and you can change it. I'm gonna go 50 millimeters, and here's my circle. I can move it. Escape from dimension, and I show you that I can move it. But when I set the dimension of the circle from the origin, then I'll have it set. Another thing that we have is this tangent constraint. So for example, let's say I want this line to be tangent to my circle, and you can see that it's tangent here. And you can mirror one thing. So for example, I want to select this subject here, and I'm gonna use this line as my mirror. And you can see that you have it mirrored this way. Then again, you have lots of other tools, and you have some snaps at your box, but whenever you are happy, you just finish sketch here. Well, this was a brief demonstration of sketch here at Fusion 360. You can explore more on your own at home, and I will be happy to share more tools with you in next sessions. I hope you enjoyed this segment. See you in next episodes. Goodbye.